What's up mga son? Welcome to my channel, Albert Corlan. Mga son, mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng amplifier. Galing po sa Lazada. Okay mga son, bago natin buksan, intro muna tayo. Welcome back mga son. Mag-unbox na tayo. Bubuksan na natin tong amplifier. Okay mga son. Nabili ko pala itong amplifier na to mga son. 424 sa Lazada.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, oh.
Hoy, gumana mga son. So, ayos. Walang factory defect. Thank you sa Lazada pala ha. Okay, simulan natin magkabit. Ang ito sa Twitter to. Ito dito. Ito, Twitter. Ang itong red sa speaker. Okay. Simulan na natin mga son. Mga son, no? Now, ang ganda-ganda mga son. Ito yung tornilyo. Tornilyo. Simulan na natin mga son pagkabit. Wait na mga son. Ito mga son, antena to. Dito sa ano. Mga son. Try na natin. Okay mga son, tapos na tayo sa unbox natin saka yung pagkabit ng amplifier sa speaker box. Mga son, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please subscribe my channel, napaka-share na din ng video para maraming makikita din, at saka hit na din yung bell button para lagi kayo updated sa mga videos ko. Mga son, maraming salamat sa inyo sa suportan nyo. Okay, dito na lang tayo mga son.